To add or edit a page, select Content, then scroll down to Pages. Here you can edit or delete existing pages, or you can create new. Please note that all custom pages follow the same layout, with an optional image at the top and then a contact form to the right. Once you've given your page a title and chosen the image, you'll then need to enter your content. You can then copy and paste this from a word processor, or you can use the rich text editor to type out your content and format it using the formatting options. Once you are happy with how everything looks, click the Publish button and then Create Page. Please note that once you've created a page, it will generate a new URL slug which you will need to take note of in order to navigate towards this page. Again, please see the videos on either the navigation or the footer blocks in order to add these.
Property Webmasters.